Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can you use the hem command inside SolidWorks sheet metal. Remember one thing about hem command, why we're using this. Hem is usually used to avoid sharp corners because we don't want any sharp corners in sheet metal, because that is risky for you people. Because in sheet metal, mostly if you have any sharp corners, that could be risky for you people because it can hurt you. So that's why whenever we want to avoid sharp corners, for that we must use the hem command. Let me show. Let me make the background plane white. Come to sketch and let me create a base plane for now. Base planes. Choose a plane and let me draw a center rectangle like an exact sketch, and let me assign the wall thickness 5 for now and say okay, right? And let me create some sharp corners for now. For that, come to edge plane and let me choose this lower edge for now, and let me create let me clear section. Let me create this lower edge for now and say okay. Again, come to edge flange, let me choose this one, come downward and say okay. Again, select edge flange and say okay. Now again, come to edge flange and see, this is how I'm going to add up some sharp corners for now. And let me come here and again come on edge flange and say okay. You can assign the height from here as well. Let me keep it 100 and say okay, and let me check 120. See, if I added different kind of sharp corners, sharp walls for now. Now what to do is actually, now in case of sheet metal it looks like sharp corners, so what to do, how to avoid these sharp corners in case of sheet metal. For that we must use the hem command. We have different subcategories inside hem once you click on this. So let me show how can you do this. Once I click on hem, so what to do, let me zoom this sharp corner for now. And edges, again we're going to deal with the edges because we have to curve, we have to avoid sharp corners, so we have to make them like a curve so that we don't look any kind of sharp corners. So for that, either you can select this lower edge or this upper edge. Let me select this lower edge. What's happening? See? So whenever you are going to select the lower edge, in that case you will see, like, let me select this upper edge. Let me select this upper edge, so it will go upward like this. See? And let me choose this one. Either you can choose this one. Let me choose in this case this one. And types and sizes, you can just come here and here you can, as you can see, this distance is 12 for now. Let me increase at 15 and you see the difference. See? Let me subcategorize this one, either this one, you can see. And this angle is 200 degree. Let me keep it 120. See? And let me keep it 360. What's happening still? Sorry, 112. Let me give it 112 and 160 for now. See? Let me choose this type. Mostly we are dealing with this type. So it depends on you. What type you're going to like, you can just choose that. It depends on you, and you can assign the difference parameter. Let me keep it 2 for now. See? Let me keep it 3 for now. See? Let me keep it 4 for now. So you must see the difference. And custom relief, you can come to tier, up round, and rectangular. Let me choose tier. You can choose this type. These are subcategories. You can check them by yourself. But you must understand See, now we have what we have done. Actually, we have avoided these sharp corners, and let me create in this case as well. Come to hem, let me choose this edge for now, and in this case let me choose this one, and let me choose, this is 15, let me choose 12 for now, and say okay. See, what is the sharp corner? I have bent that. Now in this case, let me come here and let me come to hem, again choose this one, sorry, let me clear the section, this one, see, and in this case what to do is actually let me choose this one, either you can use this one, inside outside there is nothing, okay, and cancel it for now, come to hem and let me choose this edge for now, and let me choose this time this one, this is 200 degree, let me keep at 112. Please enter a number between 180 and 270, so let me keep at 222, then we see what's happening to it. See, so it depends on you what kind you're going to like, and let me assign this radius 3 for now. See, you can increase, decrease, whatever you want. So basically you must understand the basic concept of hem, where we need it, how can you use it, and different subcategories inside hem. Let me choose, you can let me choose this, either we can create here, either you can create at this edge, and different kinds of sharp corners you can make them bend. And let me choose this time this type outside and say okay. So hopefully you understand how can you use the hem command inside SolidWorks sheet metal. This is really helpful for you people, because in sheet metal we don't want any kind of sharp corners. So to make them bend, to a lot of sharp corners, what to do, you must use the hem, and I have discussed a lot of things with you people inside hem command. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like the video, also share the video, comment, and please especially don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and projects inside SolidWorks and all mechanical softwares. So thanks for watching.